Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how I prepare my avocado hair mask and how I apply it to my hair to make my hair hydrated, soft and moisturized. So if you want to see how I make it so that you can try it out for yourself, please keep on watching. So for this hair mask you need a ripe avocado, you need an egg, you need honey, and you need mayonnaise, and you want to blend everything inside a blender. So first things first, you have to cut your avocado into two and scoop out the edible parts of this fruit. You can see that skin of the seed was stuck to the avocado, so I pulled out, I just dragged it out. I don't know if there's anything wrong if you blend it. There shouldn't even be. I heard that the seeds and the back of the avocado can be used to make oils and can be used for different purposes, but I'm going to do my research on that and get back to you guys. Next, I'm adding the mayonnaise. I'm just using my discretion here. I just put like 3 spoons of the mayonnaise so that my hair mask can be very creamy. That is why. Next, I put in the egg. I was just using 1 egg because the mayonnaise already has eggs. Next, I went to put in honey. I put 3 spoons of honey. I really love honey in my hair. When honey moisturizes my hair, and I just feel that honey and avocado work extremely well together. Next, I'm going to add in my oil of choice. I'm using castor oil, and yeah, I went ahead to blend it. This is me after 2 months of braids. I was so excited to finally treat my hair, give my hair some treatment, and yeah, this is what the hair mask looks like. So I just went out to loosen my hair. I was showing you guys that I already sectioned my hair. I detangled my hair prior to this video, so my hair was even washed. I had to wash my hair because like 2 months of braids is not a joke. My hair was extremely dirty and there were a whole lot of product build-up on my hair, and I didn't want to just add the hair marks on those product build-up. It doesn't really make sense to me. So first things first, I spray my hair with water to make it damp, and then I apply the avocado hair mask from the roots, or anyhow you want to apply. Just make sure that your hair is filled with the hair mask. So as you watch me apply it to my hair, let's just go into like the benefits of adding avocado into your hair. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to take out some parts of my hair. I'm going to see the results from me doing this hair mask. But regardless, avocado is filled with nutrients that moisturize your hair, scalp, and also has a rich source in protein and amino acids. Avocado helps promote long, strong, moisturized hair, and it leaves your hair feeling soft and hydrated. You guys are going to see the result of this hair mask at the end of this video, and you are going to be blown. I was blown. I don't know about you. So for the eggs add shine. They help repair, condition your hair. Honey helps restore moisture. That's what I said in the video. I said that honey helps me restore moisture and adds shine to my hair. It also helps with frizz. Castor helps me prevent hair falls, and it also encourages hair growth. Okay, for those of you in Nigeria, avocado is in season. You guys have to buy, not just for your hair but also to eat it. It's very healthy and very good for your body. So once again, I'm just showing you, I spray my hair with water and I go in and add the hair mask. I was just showing you that I use up all my hair mask. So finally I packed my hair into a pigtail, soon to be ponytail. Anyways, I packed my hair and I tie my hair with a nylon or a plastic bag and cover my hair with like a bonnet, my handmade bonnet, so that it can what do they call it, it can steam my hair.
A few moments later,
and yeah, I came back. It was like 4 hours, you guys, and I just took out the scrunchie And yeah, I was trying to separate my hair so that air could enter and I could rinse out this hair mask thoroughly. You guys want to rinse out this hair mask thoroughly so that all of it can get out of your hair. Trust me, the nutrients that you need have already gotten into your hair. You definitely do not want to wash your hair with hot water because the egg in this hair mask is going to cook. Wash your hair with cold water or warm water. Okay, I was just showing you how my curls were popping. I was feeling so excited, you guys. Like, anyways, only the back of my head that I get curls. Anyways, I went in with my hair champion shampoo. Yeah, I washed my hair lightly. You do not need to wash your hair if your hair is already clean. You just have to rinse out the hair mask thoroughly. But I just decided to wash my hair, just to be sure. And but it was lightly. I washed my hair lightly, and this was how my hair was looking without even adding conditioner. Like, I was blown. So next time I went to add conditioner, it wasn't really compulsory. My hair was already feeling soft. It wasn't feeling stripped. I'm like, let me just add conditioner just to give this, just for conditioning sake, you guys. And I went in with my detangle brush. After that, I was done. I was looking pretty, and I washed the conditioner out. Yeah, this was what my hair was looking like. My hair was feeling very, very bouncy and was feeling super moisturized. Let's not forget that the water was there. The texture, I was feeling my hair was soft and it was feeling silky. But anyway, in the last clip, you know what is going on. So this was the next day, and I just sectioned my hair and put them in braids, and this was the next day, like 22 hours after washing my hair. And yeah, I put some oils on my hand so that when I'm unraveling this braid, I won't be getting any frizz, and I will not do rubbish when I'm when I'm loosening it. Okay, so yeah, I was just thinking my mind like, this thing had better work. It had better leave my hair better than how it started. Oh my god, look at how my curls are. Like, they be looking like my scrunchie. Okay, so I was so excited that my hair turned out like this. You guys saw in the beginning of the video when I first loosened my hair wasn't like this. It was the curls weren't this defined, and trust me, I had washed my hair the night before and I had put in detangler and all them good stuff, and yeah, my hair wasn't looking like this. So I was so excited. I was happy that my hair came out this way, even though I was not able to rock these curls, but here it is. So I just added some oils to seal in this moisture, because at this point, you guys, I can't even lie, my hair was feeling moisturized. It was 24 hours. I had dried my hair and my hair was still feeling moist. My hair was feeling bouncy. My hair was feeling, oh my god, I wish I could use delicious. But you grab what I'm trying to say. My hair was feeling healthy. After 2 months of braids, like, at last. Anyways, I just massaged some oils into my hair, to seal in those moisture. Look at, my hair was feeling silky. My hair was looking silky. My hair was looking delicious. Anyways, that was it. And guys, my edges have been thinning out after braids. I don't know, every time I do braids, my front hair is always like coming off. So I was just adding oils to it to help them to start growing back. Do you understand? I don't know, I'll probably do a video about it on how I grew my edges back. But anyways, I was just feeling my hair and I'm like, oh my god, this hair mask is a bomb. This hair mask is amazing. And I just twisted my hair back into braids so that the air does not affect my hair. Okay, so I went in with this tail comb so that to keep my edges in place. My edges also need some love, so I brushed them, kept them. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, if you have tried out this hair mask, please comment it in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe and comment something. Show some love to your girl. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for this video. Bye.